Marong'we yamo mar Safaricom ochiwo sir mar omenda maromo $46.5 ne piem mag nyamburko mag World Rally Championship. Tukego chakore ayanga kiny e boma ma Naivasha. Kolose sa lendo chiwo makamano, jatelo mochung' ne uso ka Safaricom Zizwe Awuor nowacho ni kambino biro chung' ne weche mag tudruok duto e kinde duto mag Safari Rally ma higani, kaachiel bende gi neno ni jogo madhi yuoro e piem makamago bende oyudo chenro mag thieth manyalo dwarore apoya. Tukego chakore kiny tarik 20 nyaka tarik 23 e boma ma Naivasha.
This year we're the official connectivity partner of WRC. So what does that mean? It means that, one, we need to make sure that everyone who comes to the rally, whether it's the fans, it's the drivers, it's the journalists, it's the partners, are connected 24/7 and with the best connectivity that only Safaricom can provide. So we're going to have 8 cows on wheels across the route.
Well, Safaricom has been a great help to the Safari Rally. They've showed up in their areas of strength, supplying us with the connection to the world. And we need that at Service Park, for example, because we record the rally. We have onboard cameras from the cars. We have got cameras on ground. And all that data is relayed back to the service center, so to Service Park, from where it is then relayed to the world.